You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. The name occurs name of German, Scandinavian and Norse origin, meaning pearl. There's going to be slightly different pronunciations depending on which Scandinavian country or German pronunciation you adopt, but it's generally somewhere as Mette, Mette. Some may pronounce it also as Mette, Mette. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments, let everybody know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.